Barnardos deliver a range of services and supports to children and families. We have 45 centres across the whole of the country, and last year we delivered supports and services to over 22,000 children and families. In Barnardos, Ireland, we're really focused on working effectively with children and families. We want to deliver the best services and supports, and everything we do really needs to be evidence-based.
I was really interested in taking part in the Barnardos project because I'm really interested in patient and public involvement research. I think it's really important to do research that involves the wider community, and in particular patient and public involvement research, because it allows the people who are involved in the research to have a voice, and it makes it more meaningful.
What we wanted to do was introduce standardised outcome measures that would give us the best quality evidence. To do that, we really needed to know what parents who were going to be filling in these measures thought about these measures. So what do they want us to know about their lives, and what would they feel comfortable using in terms of data collection.
We carried out 3 sets of workshops across 2 different Barnardos services. The feedback on the workshops itself was very positive. Parents really enjoyed it. They felt like they had enough chance to say what they wanted to say, and they felt like they learned from it as well. What surprised me the most, I think, was the feedback that we got on our measures that we give parents. So it was something as simple as removing some of the paper, like the cover page from the questionnaires, because parents expressed that they felt overwhelmed by the amount of paper that was in the questionnaires, and also parents expressed some kind of anxiety around the language that was in the questionnaires and if there would be any consequences if they answered the question a certain way. That was really interesting to us, that we're able to understand how parents feel when they're handed a booklet of questionnaires to complete.
What I found really interested in the feedback was how happy the parents were to be involved in the research, that they really felt empowered. They were really happy that their voices were heard, and they even were more trusting of the service and the system because they understood what research was for. They really got why they were being asked questions.
Because of this project, we've really been able to develop high quality research practices in our services, and what we've seen is that after taking part in Barnardos services, children and families are experiencing better outcomes, so their well-being has been improved, and that's really powerful information for us, so we can identify the best practices, the best services, the best supports for children and families who really do need some help. It was really great to collaborate with UCD on this project, and it would be really fantastic to do further collaboration as well in the future.